conditions over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift.
There's too much chaos in the world. I'm stressing out. So I'm gonna go to class because it's the thing that de-stresses me. And yeah.
Reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 7222 over by the good folks. Ponca City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there? That begins at 6 o'clock in the morning. And then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it.
I got a partner now.
Partner?
We're going to jump, squat, put your legs to the wall, come back down, jump, squat, push up, push out, and push up. Ready, partner? High five.
I was like, wait, can I do these pants? I guess I'm gonna have to.
I think you're in the shorts, I'm sure you don't see any problem now.
Everyone does.
Or maybe they do. We have to pay extra for that. Please send it to claudia.renee.co. She accepts PayPal. Ready?
Okay.
And partner. And jump. 1, squat, legs. And now, jump, squat, push up. Push up.
Push up.
And do 2 push-ups. 1.
Oh God.
2. Come back to squat. Jump. Now, take your legs up to the wall. Come down. Jump. Down. Push up position. 2 push-ups. 1. 2. You did your full today.
I really think I did not sign up for this.
Oh,
It's like 2 classes later.
Pole dance is absolutely kicking my ass lately, and I love it. I'm so happy for this distraction from the rest of the world, because it's like, it feels like a fightable thing, you know? Like I'm fighting myself, and I'm gonna get into the moves, and I'm getting more flexible, and it feels like something that's in my control. I don't know what that says about everything else that's going on, but I'm holding on to this as much as possible because I need it. I can't find the light.
Ready?
Oh no, you're doing double time?
Oh, death and fire.
Man, everything's just bad.
What are you doing?
I got a little Cosmo, and he's my new friend, and I'm going to love him forever and ever. I've wanted this for so long. You have no idea. Sorry.
What is your purpose?
What is my purpose?
You pass butter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome to the club, pal.
What is my purpose? Oh! Hi!
Oh, this is the best thing ever.
It knows my name. Oh god. Okay. Hi, Cosmo. High five. You're just being mean to it.
All right, he's gonna win this
He's
time.
not gonna like you.
No, he's playing.
No, yeah. It's Saturday, yay! I'm about to go to the movies to see the Blade Runner 2040 something. I saw the original movie, the director's cut version, or the final cut version, earlier this week for the first time. And I really liked it, so I'm looking forward to it. I hope it's good. I think it's gonna be really pretty, if anything. And yeah, I'm excited about it. I might go out later, I don't know, or I might come home and draw. We'll see how it goes. I'm being loosey-goosey, trying to just relax. I did like a facial like mask thing today. I'm having a very zen Saturday. That's my plan. That's all I want. Running late. Running late. Running late. Running late.
The future of the species is finally unearthed.
Okay, after thinking about it a bit, again, not spoilery, really good sequel to the original Blade Runner. Very good. Visuals, awesome. Story, really interesting. Same pace as the old Blade Runner, so if you're into that, you'll like this. Like, it's good. Only critique, again, not spoilery, and it's my usual critique with most of these movies is, needs more black people. You know? Just a few more, please. You know, because it's like, you know, the future. I have a feeling there's a lot more of people that maybe look like me. They're a little darker. I don't know. But that's about it. Otherwise, I really enjoyed that movie a lot. Like, oh my god, the visuals. Oh my god. And the story is just like, A+. A+. Good job. It's Sunday, yay! Time for soccer. Hopefully we'll win. That'll be cool. If we win today, we'll make it to playoffs. So, or I think if we lose 2, we might still be able to get in depending on how the other teams do. But we're gonna try to win. Make it to playoffs. and so we get to go to playoffs next week. Yeah, awesome. See you guys next week.